What's up guys, welcome back to another banger video. Today we're going to be talking about Python's atexit module. In this video we will explore the atexit module, which is a powerful tool for handling cleanup actions in Python programs. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced Python developer, this module can prove to be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in. The atexit module provides a straightforward way to register functions to be called when a Python program terminates. These registered functions are executed automatically, ensuring clean program exit regardless of how the program terminates, be it through a successful execution or an unhandled exception. So let's jump into some code to see how the atexit module works in practice. First, we need to import the module using the following line of code. Next, we can register our cleanup functions using the atexit.register function. This function takes the cleanup function as an argument and adds it to the list of functions to be called upon program exit. It's as simple as that. You can register multiple cleanup functions and they will be executed in the reverse order of the registration. Now that we know how to register cleanup functions, let's explore some common use cases for the atexit module. One common use case is to ensure that files are properly closed upon program exit. Let's say we have a file object called file_obj. We can register a cleanup function to close the file using the following code. Another use case is releasing resources like database connections or network sockets. We can register a cleanup function to release these sources appropriately. Here's an example. The atexit module provides a convenient way to ensure that these important cleanup actions are performed reliably. That wraps up our introduction to Python's atexit module. We covered basics of how to use the module, registered cleanup functions, and explored common use cases. Now you have the tools to handle clean program exits effectively. That's it for today. If you want more videos like this, please make sure to leave a like down below, comment, and subscribe because it'll help us with the algorithm. Peace.